JEE Advanced 2021, Paper 1, Question 1. Physics, Vernier Calipers. Let us visualize the setup for this Vernier Calipers question. We have two figures. On the left, the jaws are closed. This is for finding the zero error. The main scale reads 0, and the sixth vernier division coincides with the main scale division. On the right, the sphere is placed between the jaws. The main scale reads 3.1 centimeters, and the seventh vernier division coincides. The question states, a vernier caliper has 1 mm as its smallest main scale division. 10 vernier divisions correspond to 9 main scale divisions. From the left figure showing jaws closed, and the right figure with the sphere, find the corrected diameter of the sphere. The options are option A, 3.07 centimeters, option B, 3.11 centimeters, option C, 3.15 centimeters, option D, 3.17 centimeters. The key concept is vernier calipers measurement. The least count is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. Since 10 vernier divisions equal 9 main scale divisions, one vernier division is 0.9 times one main scale division. The corrected reading equals the observed reading minus the zero error. Step 1. Calculate the least count. One main scale division is 0.1 centimeters, that is 1 millimeter. Since 10 vernier divisions equal 9 main scale divisions, one vernier division equals 0.09 centimeters. Therefore, the least count is 0.1 minus 0.09, which is 0.01 centimeters. Step 2. Determine the zero error. When the jaws are closed, the main scale reads 0, but the sixth vernier division coincides with a main scale line. Since the vernier 0 has not crossed the main scale 0 going left, this is a positive zero error. Zero error equals plus 6 times the least count, which is plus 6 times 0.01, equals plus 0.06 centimeters. Step 3. Read the measurement with the sphere. The main scale reading is 3.1 centimeters. The seventh vernier division coincides with a main scale line. The vernier scale reading is 7 times 0.01, equals 0.07 centimeters. So the observed reading is 3.1 plus 0.07, equals 3.17 centimeters. Step 4. Find the corrected diameter. The corrected reading equals the observed reading minus the zero error. That is 3.17 minus 0.06, which gives us 3.11 centimeters. The correct answer is option B, 3.11 centimeters. The observed reading was 3.17, and after subtracting the positive zero error of 0.06, we get the corrected diameter of 3.11 centimeters. Option D, 3.17, is the uncorrected reading, a common trap. Exam tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. Always calculate the least count first before reading any measurement. Tip 2. A positive zero error means the vernier 0 is ahead of the main scale 0, so you subtract it from the observed reading. Tip 3. A very common mistake in such questions is to select the uncorrected reading as the answer. Always apply the zero error correction. Remember, corrected equals observed minus zero error. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced 2021 solutions at MAGPIEHUB.